Good morning, y'all. We've had a visitor these last couple days, and this is an awful way for me to try to get them on video. Ooh, can you see him? I gotta put him some. It's a pileated woodpecker. There he is. Look at that. I gotta put him something out there. He's been back 2 days. I don't have anything out there. Shame on me. Well, we keep seeing his backside. He's almost big enough to get in there. Dang, I wish I'd have put that out there this morning. I was gonna too. How cool is that? I'm gonna have to scare him away to fill up the thing. I know this is hard to see with my screen in the way. And if I try to focus in anymore, well, a little bit. You can see his big red head. Isn't that cool? Look how good I am at standing still. I'm standing on the squishy dog bed. That is so cool. God, I wish, see, that's the one I was supposed to fill up this morning. Shame on me. All right, y'all. Just thought you'd like that. That's cool. Take it easy.